I don't want to turn anybody away. The problem is that I need the financial support from the Muslim community to not turn people away. Yes, you are, always. And what I tell you, as long as I have a home, you have a home. Oh, look, she's taller than me because she has to bend over. Thank you. Okay. Yeah. Oh. All government money has strings attached. So you can't discriminate on any level, whether it's race, religion, I don't know, orientation, whatever background. Because if you allow everyone to be able to come in, it would not be a safe haven for Muslim women who are coming from other countries. They wouldn't know how to fend, in that type of environment. So the only way to make it exclusively for Muslim women is for me not to accept government money and to depend solely on the Muslim community for the donations.